Dear students, welcome to Maths class. We know that we are living in a bonnet age. Science and technology made our life very comfortable. Mathematics is usually known as the queen of science. Today we are studying a beautiful branch of maths. It is called geometry. We know that who is known as the father of geometry? Yes, the correct answer is Euclid. Euclid is known as the father of geometry. Today we are studying about curvature. The curvature of a curve y equal to f of x at any point p on it is an instantaneous rate of change the angle of inclination of the tangent at p with respect to the arc length. The Greek letter kappa is used to denote curvature. The reciprocal of the curvature is called the radius of curvature and is denoted by rho. Remember that the reciprocal of curvature is called the radius of curvature and is denoted by rho. The curvature at any point of a circle is the reciprocal of the radius and is thus a constant. Note that the radius of curvature at any point of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Now we can study the formula for finding out the radius of curvature in Cartesian system. It is very important equation. It is rho equal to 1 plus dy by dx square the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square. Okay, please write this equation on your notebook. This equation is very important. Write down on your notebook. Formula for radius of curvature is rho equal to 1 plus dy by dx square the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square. Or this can be written as 1 plus y dash square. Remember that here y dash is dy by dx. Therefore 1 plus y dash square the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y double dash. Y double dash means d square y by dx square. For example, find the radius of curvature at xy for the curve a square y equal to x cube minus a cube. Here, by differentiation, we have a square into dy by dx equal to 3x square and a square into d square y by dx square equal to 6x. Therefore, here radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus 9x raised to 4 by a raised to 4 the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by 6x by a square, that is equal to a raised to 4 plus 9x raised to 4 the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by 6a raised to 4 ex, that is the radius of curvature for the curve. Okay, please write this problem on your notebook. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt, then please write on the comment box below. Thank you for watching.